This is going to be some shocking news to a lot of new investors, but the entire crypto market and the entire stock market are totally manipulated by trading bots. A lot of people believe that some ultra wealthy guys or some hedge fund dudes are sitting on their laptops or on their phones clicking away buying crypto, but in reality, they're doing the total opposite. They have these bots doing all the hard work. These bots are on a whole nother level compared to the KuCoin trading bots or all the bots that these TikTokers are promoting. These bots are absolutely insane. CNBC releases a negative article about Apple. That second the article is published, these bots are making decisions whether to buy, sell, short Apple. So we can definitely not compete with these bots. And that is why 90% of all traders go broke because they're competing with AI bots. That is why I like to invest for the long term and secure all the profits that I possibly can. Like, follow, peace.